Is your Samsung phone suddenly showing weak signal, no service, or mobile data problems after a recent software update? In this video, I'll show you several simple fixes that can help restore your network connection in just a few minutes. Step 1. Refresh your network connection. Start by reconnecting your phone to nearby cellular towers. Open the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable it, then wait for about 30 seconds. After that, tap the icon again to disable airplane mode. Leave the phone idle for another minute while it reconnects to your mobile network. In many cases, this simple refresh restores signal and mobile data. Step 2. Reset mobile network settings. If the issue remains, reset your network configuration. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General Management. Next, select Reset, then choose Reset Mobile Network Settings or Reset Network Settings, depending on your One UI version. If you're using two SIM cards, select the SIM that's having the problem. Tap Reset Settings, enter your screen lock PIN or password if prompted, and confirm the reset. This process removes saved network settings but does not delete your photos, videos, apps, or personal files. Step 3. Reset the APN settings. Incorrect APN settings can prevent mobile data from working properly. Open Settings, tap Connections, then select Mobile Networks. Tap Access Point Names, APN. Press the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and choose Reset to Default. Your phone will automatically restore your carrier's recommended APN configuration. Step 4. Change the preferred network mode. Some updates may cause temporary issues with 5G connectivity. Go back to Settings, then open Connections. After that, click on Mobile Networks, then tap Network Mode. If 5G is currently selected, switch to LTE, 3G, 2G, Auto Connect. Wait a few minutes and test your calls and mobile data. If everything works normally, you can try switching back to 5G later. Step 5. Select your carrier manually. If your phone cannot connect to the correct network automatically, select it yourself. Open Settings, tap Connections, then Mobile Networks, and choose Network Operators. Turn off Select automatically and wait while your phone searches for available networks. When the list appears, tap your mobile carrier. After the connection is restored, you can enable Select automatically again. Step 6. Force restart your Samsung phone. To refresh the system after making these changes, press and hold the volume down button and the power side button together for about 10-15 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Release both buttons and allow the phone to restart completely. Once your phone turns back on, check whether your signal bars, mobile data, and calling features are working correctly. If the issue still continues, install any newer software updates that may include bug fixes. You should also test your SIM card in another phone to determine whether the problem is with the device or the SIM itself. If none of these solutions work, contact your mobile carrier or visit an authorized Samsung service center for further assistance.